Hey guys, welcome to the another episode of the wall hanging decor tutorial. In this video, we are going to make the feather wall hanging decor piece. If you haven't watched my first video of this episode, then please go and check that out. I will give the link in the description box below and here in the I button. Welcome to the new video of the Gayatri'creation. I am Gayatri. If you are new here, I make the videos of DIY, home decor and some yummy recipes. So if you like such a videos, then please keep on watching. Please make sure to smash that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So let's begin with the today's video. For this wall hanging decor piece, we require some old wire, or you can use some normal wire or a wooden sticks also, but I prefer this electric wire cause it's flexible to mold in any shape. Now we require some wool. Here I have taken the 3 colors of wool so I can mix match and make a feather. Now cut the wire according to the how much length we require. Then take a wool and knot the one end on the wire and cover all the wire with the white wool. Now cut the some wool strings about 15 cm each. Here I have taken the green and white wool strings. Now take a single string of the green wool and tie a knot on a wire such that it will part it equally. Now take the second string and tie it in the same way but close to each other, so there will be no gaps in between the strings. By doing so, our feather looks more fuller. Now keep on going. Here I mixed some white strings in between the green and lastly ended it with the white wool. Now cut some extra fringes. Now place some plastic sheet under that and apply some synthetic glue on the wool. This step is required to stick the woolen strings to each other. Here you can actually use the Fevicol plus water mixture. But I am running out of the stock for the Fevicol, and as we are in the lockdown, it can't be available. So here I use the synthetic glue which is available with me. Use ample amount of glue on both the sides. Now give the feather shape to it and let it dry. So here I have already made some feathers few days ago. This I made in a different sizes and different color combination. Some of them are in plain colors. These feathers are made using the Fevicol and water mixture. That is why it looks harder after drying. Now take the steel rod or a wooden stick to join all the feathers to it. Now arrange all the feathers and hang it on rod with the string. Here I have added the 2 pom-pom strings in between. And our feather wall hanging is ready. Now hang it on a wall and decor your home. This piece of wall hanging looks very great on a wall. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you are enjoying such a tutorial, then please keep on watching. I'll be creating for you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.